Hi everyone, this is Joel from the Revospin print department, and we're gonna go ahead and take off our old graphic and replace it with our new one. So here we have some things that you might need to help with the removal. You might need a heat gun, cheap $30 one from Amazon would do. This will just make removing the graphic a little bit easier. We do have masking tape, scissors, some paper towels or cleaning cloth, and one will be wet either with rubbing alcohol or just water is fine. And of course your replacement graphic that you received in the mail. Alright, so let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and remove our old graphic. You want to go ahead and get to an edge that you can peel off and just go ahead and pull it off. If you need to, go ahead and warm it up with the heat gun. That'll just make it a little bit more pliable and easier to remove from your platform. Should look like that. You go ahead and take your wet paper towel and just go ahead and clean it. Make sure there's no residue. If there is any residue, you can use rubbing alcohol or goof off, which is available at any hardware store near you. Make sure you wipe it down, make sure it's dry. Just like that. Alright, so next you're gonna go ahead and grab your new graphic and you're gonna just remove it from the mailing tube. Unroll it carefully. And you're gonna go ahead and line it up with your platform. It doesn't go all the way to the edge, so there will be maybe a millimeter or 1/8 of an inch of the edge showing. And that's just so it doesn't go ahead and curl up when people step on it. So go ahead and line it up. Grab your masking tape. And just rip off 2 small pieces and adhere them straight across from each other on opposite edges of the graphic. Right, once it's taped down, you're gonna go ahead and peel back one edge and remove half of the backing or the liner. And once you have half of the liner off, go ahead and cut the liner like that. Next, you're going to take your graphic and starting from the middle, you want to go ahead and push it down so it adheres to the platform, and then squeeze out the air going from side to side, or from the middle to the side. And you're just gonna go ahead and move along the graphic until you reach the very edge. Make sure you put a little bit of pressure so it's stuck on really good. Next, you're gonna go ahead and remove the tape that you put on. And you're gonna peel back the second half of your graphic. So go up all the way to the backer with the liner, find that edge, and just peel it right off, like so. And then again, you're gonna go ahead and start from the middle, press down, and work your way to the edge. If you get any bubbles, this material is very forgiving, and you can go ahead and squeeze it right out. And there you go, make sure it's on good. And that's it. You have your brand new graphic on your Revospin platform. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful videos.